Okay, but we have 7 cats. So, Timmy. Oh, wait. Guys, what I would like to start doing is... Katie, did you catch a bird? Timmy! Yeah, Katie. It's okay, girl. No, yeah. You guys, just a sec. Guys, my cat caught this. Oh yeah, here's Katie, and that's Cheeto. Yeah, and then we have like a bunch of sorry. And then we have some milk cows, yeah. Say bye to the bird. I'm gonna show my parents. Okay, bye y'all! Okay guys, so I'm just gonna let you guys do this. Okay. I'm trying to figure out how to get over this. Without getting a splinter. Jimmy. Okay, now we're going over here. Timmy's following me. Maybe we'll just... Oh, it's over here. Over there is the bull. There's one of our brown cows. I think you can maybe see that one. Yeah, that one right there. Okay. And now we are going to the older cows. Oh, first, right here, we have, it's also there too. We have more chickens. So, going to the chicken right now. Because we have more chickens actually. The chickens are mostly out in that. Oh, we have pigeons too, as you can see. Yeah, we have pigeons, chickens. And we have, oh, these are called pheasants. Yeah, those are pheasants. Okay, let me just try and call my cats. Mimi, Sam, Cheeto. Wait, we've already seen Sam. Cheeto, Katie, Blackie, Mimi. Mimi's our new cat. Oh, do you guys like my earrings? They're little aliens. It's an alien lover. Okay. Today, we will be doing an animal tour on my farm. First, we have my dog, Buddy. Hi. Hi, big boy. Oh, we have Timmy. We have Sam. Oh yeah, Timmy again. And then Buddy's just keep on lying there. So we're just going to the piggies right now. little walk. So we're heading to the piggies. Sorry, there's just a few flies. Okay, can you hear them? Oh, there's some of the piggies. Okay, all of them are here. So we have all the piggies. So these are our kids. There, I think, is one or two. Yeah, 2 boys and 2 girls. Okay, this is where we're standing. Look at Dippy. And now you have to get over again. Because I have to go over to Timmy.